The man who kept the beat alive. Guru Sangyusang Pongener, Padma Shri 2026. Once upon a time, the world moved to a different rhythm. One that wasn't performed for applause, but lived as an identity. For generations, the drum beats echoed in the hills and hearts of the Naga people. But what would happen if they were to fade? Born on 23rd March 1945 in a small Ao-NAGA village, a young boy grew up, not just witnessing culture, but inheriting it. As time went by, the gatherings became fewer, the songs less remembered, and the dances lost. The rich Ao-NAGA heritage was slipping away. That's when Guru Sangyusang Pongener pledged to dedicate his life towards its revival.
I've been drawn to the songs and dances of our people since childhood, learning from my father, grandfather, and village elders.
Back then, there were no written scripts. Everything was passed down orally, which made it especially challenging. As new values displaced the old, he faced an uphill battle. He left his stable job without financial support and went on to travel and perform, for which he was often ridiculed by society. True to the spirit of the Nagas, he didn't give up. It was never about money. His mission was to carry Ao-NAGA culture forward to the next generation, no matter the cost. Through it all, his wife stood steadfast, supporting him financially while raising their family as he traveled alone. She, along with his family and fellow villagers, remained his greatest strength. 6 decades of dedication have borne ample fruit. At programs like Kala Diksha and the Naga Wadir Welfare Culture Club, Guru Sangyusang Pongener has guided and trained thousands. Today, he's the senior-most guru of the Ao-NAGA folk. His original folk compositions are performed on local, national, and international stages. But even today, at 83 years old, his work isn't done.
My door is always open to any young person eager to learn.
His humble home is too small to hold all who come to learn, so he dreams of building an academy where Ao-NAGA culture can thrive. With the right support, he believes he can bring it to life. Some legacies are written in books, others are carried in rhythm.
As long as the drums are heard,
the Ao-NAGA culture and one man's teachings will endure forever. Guru Sangyusang Pongener, Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskar.